This month, we're going to be covering electrical safety and energy control. And on today's warehouse safety tips, we're going to be talking about static control, grounding, and dust prevention in dry facilities. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Static can seem harmless. A little snap from a handrail, a shirt clinging to your sleeve, or a spark that you barely notice. But in a dry warehouse facility, static can build fast in conveyor belts, rollers, sorters, plastic totes, and moving product. That spark has a job. It wants to jump, and if it comes into contact with dust, vapors, or flammable liquids, the result can be extremely serious. It can happen fast, it's dangerous, and it's preventable. We say this almost every week, but a strong safety culture is going to pay attention to small signs before they become big events. Static control and grounding are not paperwork items. They're daily habits that are going to protect people, property, and production, which is exactly what you want to do in your facility. And here are a few tips that are going to help you with static and grounding in dry warehouses. Number one, you want to watch conveyor and sorting systems for static trouble. Dry air, fast belts, plastic parts, and consistent friction and constant friction are going to create static buildup. Report repeated shocks, snapping sounds, product sticking, or odd dust attraction. Those are the warning signs that are going to happen first. Then, number two, you want to keep grounding and bonding points clean and secure. A loose clamp or a dirty contact can break the path to ground. Ensure approved grounding points are used in areas where flammable liquids are present. Never remove or bypass grounding connections to save time. Number three, you want to control your flammable liquid storage areas. You want to keep containers clean when they're not in use. Store them only in approved areas and make sure that bonding and grounding steps are followed during transfer, pouring, or dispensing. One spark can be enough to cause a huge problem. Number four, you want to manage dust near electrical panels. Dust can block airflows, it can hold heat, and it can increase the fire risk. Keep panel areas clean, dry, and clear. Don't stack products, tools, or trash in front of electrical cabinets. Access matters during both normal work and emergencies. And last but certainly not least, number five, report dry air and repeat static issues early. If workers are getting shocked, don't shrug it off. Tell supervision so the facility can review humidity, equipment condition, grounding, and cleaning practices. Small reports are going to prevent big losses. And as always, keep in mind, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. The best facilities don't wait for smoke, sparks, or shutdowns before they act. They train people to notice the little things. They fix clamps, they clean dust, they ask questions before a shortcut becomes a fire. Static control is really about discipline. Grounding is about trust. Dust control is really about respect for the energy around us every day. You may not see electricity working, but you better believe it's there. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.